Where are my bloody widgets? Here they are. Okay, there we go. So, hello. Today, welcome to another stream, and today we'll be doing Battle FX. Not effects, but FX. Which is, I probably need to rename them. Like visual effects. Yeah, if I just call them visual effects, I'd probably do. So, first of all, we need to go into the active skill prefab, and we need to add a new game object, and we'll call this visual FX. Now, got me some nice amaretto and coke. Now, I'm probably actually going to make this a canvas. Then screen space overlay, scale with screen skies, reference resolution 1080p. And of course, if I make one change, it's going to affect all of the other skills, which means that yeah, it's going to have. I'm going to have that pop up all the time. So that's going to do it for now. I'm probably going to make a new. Well, I am going to make a new script. Battle. This will be in skills. Visual. Caps lock might help. Oh, bollocks. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to type with both hands. So I'm trying to type with one hand and try and drink with the other. And no spaces in folded aims. It's just how I roll. Active skill visual FX. Just drag this on here. And it needs to compile because reasons. Well, obviously it needs to compile. Okay, get rid of all these. Okay, remove the graphic raycaster from the canvas. And then add this. Wish there was a way to just make changes and not autosave. Because, no. Anyway, I think we're done with this. So, skills, no, basic attack. We need an animator and then a way of positioning it so that the, okay, so we'll create a animator? Just create a new game object. Right, we'll make a image and an animator. Now we do have slash animations, but we need to make them so that they're I can find the bloody things. Here we go. Right, animations, battle FX, player. Attacks. And create a okay, so we need to play it, but we need it to be different based on the attack going through. So, however, the damage type, if we get from here, this is from here. When do we apply this? Okay. So we need to play animations before we apply the effects. What's this entity action? If I get rid of this on here, here's the active skill. Caster, target, and then skill. So we should get the VFX from the skill. So field, serialized field, public, active, skill, visual effects. So the effects get, yeah, this is going to be effect VFX. Sorry, we've got a spammer here. I need to go into the old fucking hell Twitch spammer. Oh dear. I need to ban some guy. I need to have my stream manager open on the other guy. Ban. There we go. And we'll clear chat while we're at it. Don't know why they do this. Okay, clear chat. Yes. There we go. Right. So the effect of VFX will be on here. And then we need to have a sort of animator. So it would be like an attack FX. So we'll need attack animation controller. Actually, I think I can probably reuse the monster one. How's this look? Yeah, we can. Right, so we want to separate the flash animation from here. So how do we do this? Actually, I think it might be better if we just made it our own. If I make a child game object that holds the image. No, what's the point in that then? Just add the image there. Okay, animation controller, attack, or rather damage FX. What we can take are these though, slash horizontal, slash vertical, fire and air. Move these to attacks. Then create a new state, empty, we'll call this idle. And then we'll make another animation clip called reset. Move this in here. Right, these need to change. I might as well just make the new. Might as well just make them all myself then, if they're gonna. Yeah. Oh well. Remove all these properties then. Fire. Then if I take this attack FX, put damage FX in here. Then if we set a boolean to multiple, so basically if you do a slash attack down, it will hit 1, but if you do a slash attack to 1, yeah, it'll just hit 1, and then there'll be a different animation that plays for an AoE attack, which will be stretching the stretching this out, which means that we'll probably need to just do something like that, and then I don't know. So just set the position to the middle and then just go whoosh. Okay, these don't seem to have a... Oh yeah, they're 32 by 48, so they are 1.5 to 1. And these are all 1-to-1 squares. Maybe we can have like a sort of thing that goes to an effect that goes to the oh, but then that'll be under visual effects, so it'll be this fireball effects and then the explosion. Whereas sort of the slash, we just want, yeah, the slash. So we need a way of getting the effects and then playing the same visual effects on all targets. Instead of having one big, for AoEs, instead of having one big one, we have 5 small ones, which shows which ones get hit. It doesn't seem right. So if we have it in multiple mode, we'll need to change that. No, we do that when we do it. If it's an AoE, we position the thing accordingly. And then put it here? No, and then have it like this. Oh, this is annoying. I really should have made some notes. Where's my OBS? Here it is. Okay, animator, and then create. Oops. We can do this easier. So the slash horizontal would be for an AoE. Slash vertical would be, There's a way to just make these boxes a bit smaller. Well, obviously you just zoom out. So from reset, or from any state, and this vertical would be trigger slash trigger pierce trigger blunt fire water air earth light dark. Okay. So slash vertical would have a list of these. So multiple is false and slash. This would be multiple is true and slash. So then we have fire and we have air. We need water, stroke, ice, and earth damage effects, but I haven't been able to find those yet. These fire. The problem is, though, if we have transitions and then one is already playing, then we instantly cancel that and move on to the other. So I reckon we don't transition from any state. Why can't I select multiple transitions at once? That's a pain in the arse. Okay, transition from here to here to here to here. And this will just be air, fire. Then we need a way of transferring back. Which is, yeah, exit time. These do not have exit time. Neither do these. Put entry here just to be simple. Can we just move to exit instead of going from reset to there? So if reset and then it goes exit, goes back to entry, does that happen? Hang on, let me look this up. Unity, animate, or exit. Oh, okay. The exit node is an exit. Each substate was assumed as a separate and complete state machine. Dun. The exit node is used to indicate that a state machine should exit. What the hell does that mean? If I just make it so... So I've put this in. Right. Actually, the damage flash should be tied to the entity, and then the actual slash effect should probably be tied to to its own thing, this thing right here, so that when the enemy entity does take damage, it flashes. Or if it dies, it fades out. That's probably going to be the best way of doing it. Move everything back. Right. So this has the damage effects on here, no avatar. So fire. I record, no, air. Sorry, I'm recording this and they're on separate monitors. But then we need an air like gust of air, and air is in electricity. No, that's fine, you just have the normal different effects for each one. In which case, this damage effect, attack effects has that, but then we need to have separate effects for each weapon, or do we? Yes, we do. So be a damage type, effects, FX. Oh, this is annoying. I really should have made notes before the stream, and so I could actually get into the meat and potatoes of it quicker. Okay, so we have a damage effect factory. Is there anything we can look at? Yes, it's this, but it's damage effect, which has already been generated. Hang on. This is get outgoing effects, but that doesn't. The damage type is on here, but then yes, skill get effects. So get effects on here, effect apply, but then we need the VFX, which doesn't have the damage effect on it. Essentially, we need a way of this to communicate with this. I don't know how that's going to happen. Unless we do it the old way of putting the slash effects on the entity being hit, but that's, well, we've done that in the stream about a week ago, and it ended up not working. Essentially, we need to get we get effects, but we don't have to apply them immediately. var v then VFX.get visual effect element. Yeah, visual effects element, and that plays one thing. Then, oh, this isn't. But then we'd have to play it and give the all of the effects in, which I think is what you need to do, because if the VFX is varying depending on the type of effect that happens, then we do need to pass in the effects. So visual effects element. Return get components in children visual effects element. Action.target.view transform. Generate the method play. This will be a rect transform. Should I make this abstract? I think I should make this abstract. No. I will make this virtual though. Then private animator. debug log to do set position. There's got to be a way to play a clip normally, like load a clip into an animator via code. Unity load clip into animator. No. Create a new animation clip. How to change your animation clips at runtime. Load animation from resource order, load animation from assets. Dynamically loading animation. Simple animation. No, these are for armature animations. I want sprite animations. Simple animation via places you playables. This was in 2020. Fuck's sake, I've got spam bots up the wazoo today. Okay. You can now add states easy by script because you're dealing with playables, not runtime animated control, and the messy state system. This is how it looks and plays in your end. Play, run, play queued. So we want a simple animation. Oh, it's not on the Of course it fucking 404s. This is possibly if I left compatible test. This is Unity 2018.3. Animator.place set date name. But if you want to have a similar to play single animation clips, you must move in this blog. This is from 2018, and of course it fucking 404s. Animation system without an animator is legacy. Enable it to enable the clip as follows. You have to decide. Then set default clip, add clip to animation. No. I don't want to use the well. This is bullshit. The animation component is used to play back animations. You can assign animation clips to the animation control playback from the script. The animation component and use these weight-based sports animation blending and blah 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 blah. Oh, hello. Add clip. Okay, we'll do the slash vertical because that's not there. Yeah, so the image is the same as the animation. So if we record, oh, you fucking kidding me? Fire? Okay. But I can't add a property. Image? Hello? Animation state can be used to change the layer of an image. No. Animation clip. Stores keyframe based animations. Animation is used to the playback animations on there. Add event, clear curves, hide it. Okay, create. If I just create on here, fire2.anim. Go on there, right? That's okay. Add property, image, sprite, and then I click on that and it just it's nothing. The animation click fire used by the animation component attack FX must be marked as legacy. How do I do that? Marked as legacy. Oh, this one's like that, but and we can't get the actual target because fucking. Oh. So it just feels like the effect should have the FX, but the effect is a class, it's not a component. So we can't. Unless we make some effects and then bind to the effect? That just sounds cursed. And it won't work because the order of effects is not going to be the order of the FX, so... Okay, so this animation component is a bust. So I probably am going to have to use the fire... I'm going to have to use the animation component, animator component. Which sucks because it's going to make the game a lot bigger. Okay, fine. Animator, and then we have the animator controller, and then blah 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 blah. Right, image, sprite, record, this, just a blank screen. Right, and then slash horizontal, slash vertical even. Attack effects, image, sprite. So not reset, but slash vertical. Add image, sprite. Record. Okay. Okay, we'll move these on here. Okay. Oh, we can implement this. Oh no, wait, we can't because target's an int. I don't know. Var effect int effect target IDs equals no, because this is an incoming action. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Because this outgoing action is on here, so this is the skill cost, but then the outgoing action is on there, and then the target on there, but then the additional targets aren't going to work. Fuck. So this incoming action we need to get rid of. This target can convert from battle manager 20% at actor. Var targets equals action effects dot select x into x dot target. Battle effect x dot data? No. God damn it. So then it'll have to be a battle effect, which does have the data, but then it's just this battle effect here, which is a shit fucking ugh. I think that should work. If we move all of these to battle effect, then var targets equals effects dot select x into x dot target dot x dot target dot distinct. I don't like using link because it's slow. Scripts are hard. Scripts are hard, yes. By the way, hi GTF. Don't think I want to use the booleans on effects.apply, so we can get rid of these. Maybe something like play VFX on targets. VFX dot don't like getting components every screen, every thing either. Surely I'd need a sort of factory thing to get the FX player, but then no, that's not going to work because the FX player needs a component. Unless this has a prefab and then we have an FX parent on the other thing and then we create that as a child and go from there. So if I make this as visual FX. No, this isn't going to work. The VFX needs to be tied to an effect. Which means that this damage VFX and then play that. Yeah, and then we can instantiate that? No. This attack FX needs... Well, we'll open the prefab. This is a VFX element. Which means that... Set trigger play. Damage type variable VFX. Which is a visual effects element. Which is so there actually should be a battle effect because they've been tied into the effects themselves. Then if no damage type equals none, if effect is I damage effect attempted to play damage context sensitive, no, damage type sensitive VFX on with no damage type. This visual effects element needs, we'll make this protected. Animator dot set trigger slash break. untyped there. Okay. So this will be a damage type variable VFX. Oh, god damn it. Target dot oh, but we need the actual effect. Shit. Okay, okay, so active skill visual effects won't be that, but we don't want to use this class, just this. Then have the game objects set as prefab and give them an effect, so that if the VFX is not null, then play the effect and then await it. Okay. So we get rid of this. And then get rid of this. And then instead of the effect factory, the effect... No, we do need to have the FX as in the effect factory. FX prefab, and then public visual effects elements, instantiate FX element. If FX prefab is not null, element equals null, return false. Element equals instantiate as type visual effects element fx prefab. Parent return true. Then okay, so this requires prefix success we can get rid of. Don't want it, don't need it. So this transtantiate fx element would be in here. But it's not instantiate because it's not a game object. Fuck! No, wait. Can we do that? We can do that. Oh, this is annoying. If okay, and then public void async void play fx if transtantiate element fx element target dot view transform out visual effects element element dot set position. No, it's already been transformed as a child of that parent anyway, so it's going to be placed on there. Element dot play. Okay, so we don't need this. No, wait. Okay, so we've instantiated it. So just play this. Okay, Unity, await animator exit. Start coroutine that needs. Okay, so while animator dot is human is initialized is optimizable. Finished equals false. Wait, there's an on animation end? Animation events for this does not check every days. Alert observers is in a component on the animated object. Right. Finished equals true. Use state machine behavior, there's on state exit. Create a class and you can run that inherits state machine behavior with the symbol of code in your right. Okay, so we do need to make a change to the animator. So we need to make another state here that has a okay, and then have all of these. Oh, I can't change transitions end state. Okay. You know what? I can add an animation event here instead. And this will be a function animation finished. Which means I can animation finished. Then the exit goes back into entry, reset, animation finished. Okay, try this. Unity await coroutine finish. Right. I make a unitask instead. I don't like this. Oh wait, task unity. Then oh wait, element dot play on this. But then that's going to mean that it's going to play them all one by one. Unless I do this. Then ooh, dear. No, because this is only for one effect. So no. I just have to do this for all of them? Oh, this is so bloody tedious. Okay. I just need to make a mental note then to make all the stuff with VFX to No. Ah, I fucked this up. Oh, fuck. I mean, I was going to have to change them anyway, just to get rid of the Boolean return, but I should not be awaiting the effects. I should be awaiting the effects, then applying them. No. No, because... Alright, no, just... Okay. Effect apply, that's an abstract unitask apply. Right, so we don't need this. So VFX of damage, and then then damage applies, then VFX of effect 2 applies, if VFX of effect 3 applies, in that order. That may be workable. What is it I'm doing? What's the problem? I'm trying to get battle effects playing, and I'm just trying to work out what order. I'm trying to get it so that effects. Okay, hang on. I'll open up one of my prefabs. No, not this. All right, skills. Here we go. Right. So basically, all of our skills have effects, one or more, except for weight, which doesn't have an effect, but that's beside the point. All of these effects have an FX prefab, visual effects prefab, and this, what I'm trying to, fuck, hang on, let's go back. What I'm trying to do is make it so that when this is a factory, by the way, when we instantiate the effect for the effect factory, it passes in this prefab, and then that prefab gets placed on the enemy, and so it plays. However, I'm just trying to get my head round getting the visual effects to play and then the effect to apply, and then doing that in order. And I think I might have something. I don't think it's going to work, but yeah, it's not gonna. Effect VFX, average visual skill effects equals there. What am I doing? I think I've done. Actually, I think I've written all my code in the wrong place. That's pretty silly of me. Async unitask void on here. Perform action dot forget. It's the last thing we do anyway, so we can just fire it off. Which means that this we can just get rid of. We don't need it. Await each effect of being applied in order and then try that. Oh. Why are the hotkeys not working now? This is something different. Damage type variable VFX on there. The animator's not. Oh no, of course the animator's not being set. That's why. Okay. Void awake. Animator equals that. Except we're instantiating it anyway. So and we're. Oh no, we're gonna have to wait. No, we can just do this. If not animator, then get the component. We're only playing the effects once per invocation anyway, so I don't think it'll cause a bottleneck. Okay, so we have some animations playing, except what the hell is going on? Why is the enemy's sprite disappearing? And why is this? This just raises further questions. Okay. Okay. View animations finished dot invoke. But then this is being put on there. Right, I'm going to remove all of these damage animations from the entity view. And then I'll re-implement it once we've got the actual animations down. Because this is just going to be too confusing otherwise. Why is... Oh, we're instantiating it, but we're not destroying it. That's why. We await the element.play and then finally destroy. Element.destroy. Game object dot destroy element. Try that. Oh. put it in here. I don't like that I'm creating a game object and then destroying it, but then I just want it to work. Animation finished on event reset has no receiver. Are you missing a component? Wait, what? Hang on, I am playing it, right? Oh, I know. I'm an idiot. There we go. I was destroying the component and not the game object. And now the game, and now it's just not playing. Hang on. Wait, play on here and then... Why is the animation being set to... Hang on. Put this on the other... No, not in that. Here. Okay, so... Let's get out of play mode. Okay, so we start in reset. And then... Okay. Yeah, I think I know what I've done wrong. We'll just call this start, which doesn't have a motion. Make this default. Then we'll make this reset. Get rid of these. And these four, come to think of it. Right, I'm only going to make this and this and this just to make sure it works. So this condition is going to be just slash. Okay, let's try this. What? Okay, it's playing, but there's still that... Prefabs, visual effects. I just make that a normal. I saw it flash for 1 frame. Just want to make sure if this thing's actually popping. This thing should be popping. It's still flashing that thing for 1 frame and then it's just not popping the... Yeah, we've got the animation event right here. Damage type variable VFX, animation finished. Some functions have the same name across several mono-behaving components may not work as intended if used with animation events. Show details, duplicate events, it's just images. Animation finished. There we go. Let's just make sure. Yeah. So this thing should be posting to the console. But there's nothing. This is reset, yeah, reset, which is this animation here, which has the animation event at 0. If I make it that... Oh. Delete that keyframe. Okay, so that works. Apparently I've just I deleted a keyframe at the end which was hidden from me and that just fixed everything. Unity, why you like this? Right, let's try this again. By the way, I know the animation's really slow. I'm going to be spinning some. Right, that's that sorted. Put this in /vertical speed, double it. Let's see what we're doing. Oh. What now? Perform action on there, don't forget. Oh, it's the enemies. But then the enemies should be able to do the same thing to us by getting the same... All it just does, it gets this thing instead of this thing. Oh. Wait, effect dot apply. I reckon playing FX game object dot name. What the hell? This play already? No. Hey, Wiley. This isn't playing. So why isn't it? Enemies. Here's the attack FX. But it's just not. Okay, await element dot play. So we've instantiated the effect here. Debug dot log playing battle FX. Element dot game object name. Okay. So the thing's not being destroyed, which means that this is being stuck on a wait. Why? Animator.set trigger play. This is a damage type variable FX. So it's this that should be playing. But then, if it did set play, then it would say... What's it? I don't know. Therefore this... Don't play this, but then... Put it here. Okay. Because this should be overridden. This code here should be overridden. So it works here. But it does work here, but then this just doesn't play for whatever reason if it's an enemy. It's the same controller. Hang on. Why is blunt being... Oh, for... I'm an idiot. I'm a complete fucking moron. Yeah, it turns out that this has a this one has a blunt attack, and of course I'm doing that, it only has slash in there. So we need to have... Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Blunt. And this will just have the slash motion. Make transition here. Trigger blunt. Make transition into there. Okay, and then also we'll make the pierce. Not blunt, pierce. Here we go. Okay, so it plays, but it just doesn't get destroyed now. Okay, so the animation's playing, it's just not applying. Set trigger blunt break. Wait until it's finished. So why isn't this popping? Animation finished, and then goes to the next one. So why is it? Why is the animation finished not playing then? Do I need to set this? Okay, let's try it now. Oh, it works apparently. So apparently if there's a transition you can't have the... Oh, that's a pain. Why is there a pause at the start? Hang on. Preview. Several frames. Hang on. If I were to do, wants to make this speed 5 almost instant, and then the next one to be okay. There's still a pause at the start. Hang on. Okay, the playing battle effects happens instantly. I'm just trying to have a look at this. And then... hang on. Right. Aha. I reckon I need to take out this has exit time. Okay, try it now. There we go. You can tell I'm a bloody noob when it comes to animations. Right, we'll change the speed of this to 4. And the rest with 2. Man, if only I could use the... If only I could use the effects animations from RPG Maker. Except the slash animation's a bit... I don't know. Trying to work that out. Okay, so we know that a very basic version's working. Yeah, so I'm tempted to just leave the no, I've still got an hour to go. Well, 47 minutes to be precise. Okay, we can get rid of these. Okay, let's do the damage flash on the enemy. Yeah. So, public void on damage. I think the next stream should just be fixing normal stuff, like, I mean, in my bloody room. Putting some WD-40 on the chair and everything. If I wrote it down, that might actually help. WD-40 the chair. Right. So we need a sort of a flashing thing. No, I don't want to use an animator because fuck animators. All my homies hate animators. Okay, get rid of this. Oh wait, this is the enemy display. Okay, get rid of this. And put this here. Usually have whiteboard to think. Yeah, I usually use this thing called this is a program called Visual Paradigm, which usually works, but I think I've said multiple times that I really should have planned this out beforehand. I mean, I do have a whiteboard, I just need one of those mounting brackets for it. Okay, I'm going to do something cursed and make an animation that's not actually an animator. Create monobehavior script, flash on damage behavior. No, just won't let me add it. Flash on damage behavior, here we go. Right. Flash time equals 0.5f. Private int flashes. Yeah, we'll start off with 3. Public void play. Actually, no, we'll make this a unitask so we can await it. Okay, var start equals time dot time for flashes var flash time flash toggle times. No, this is var total flashes equals, so a flash would be on and off, or rather off and on, so 0 we'll call this half flashes off or on, while total half flashes is less than flashes multiplied by 2. Oh, also private image void awake okay, while total half flashes is less than that, and then t plus equals time dot delta time. Oh yeah, we could just yield, so I don't need current time at all. If t is greater than or equal to flash time, var on equals true. No, on's not image showing. If t is less than or greater than or equal to flash time, if image showing, no wait, var image showing equals total half flashes percentage 2 is equal to 0. Then if image showing else image dot color equals color dot transparent. Oh, damn it. Transparent equals new color 1 1 1 0. white equals color dot white. And then finally, await uni task dot wait 4 seconds flash time. So actually what I can do is this. Okay, so flashes is free, so that'd be 6. So let's go. So total half flashes equals 0. On, no, off, on, off, on, off. Less than flashes equals 2. So hang on, 0. So 0, it'll be off, on, off, on, off, on. Yeah, that's right. So the last, no, wait. The last one would be total half flashes equals 5. So the image will be, yeah. So it should be on at the end. Okay. So we don't need this T either. And we can get rid of the on damage as well. We'll just call it flash behavior. Flashing behavior. Which means I'll probably need to re-add the component. Oh, no, yeah, that's the same. Okay, so on entity view. Private flashing behavior. Actually, I'm going to serialize this field so we can flash a child image if we have to. That sounded so wrong. Flash a child image. Flash an image component that is a child in the hierarchy of the imagery. Okay, on damage, flash behavior dot play dot forget question mark, and then in entity presenter view dot on damage. Dropped my phone when you said that. Yeah, phrasing, I know. Hang on, I'll put this as a... I'm just writing this down so I can clip it later. Right. Right, let's see how this works. And it's not going to work because I forgot to set the flashing image on here. Boop. That's way too slow. Still a bit too slow. Yeah, that looks good. Right, let's do it with the if flash behavior is not null, then play that. Right, let's do it with the players now. Players, find the damn things. Ah, here we go. Flashing behavior, and the image shall be the character portrait. I might change it to a sort of damaged kind of thing, so... Yeah, hang on. We'll just change the flash time to 0.15. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. We need an on-def animation now. Fade out behavior. Okay, right. If current health is greater than 0, then view damage else. View dot play def animation. Or void. We'll rename this to on def. If fade out behavior, Private fade out behavior. Fade out behavior. Okay, let's try it. And it's not going to work because that. Okay. There we go. That's good. Right. I do have... is there anything I can do in the next 25 minutes? Just trying to think. Anything that would take 25 minutes. Let's make another skill. Yeah, let's make skills until they think so. I do need to make a third skill for Shinri. Calc. Right. I've got Poison Arrow, Screaming Barrage, Tailwind Ritual. Okay, create prefab variant, Tailwind Ritual, Marksman. Also create some skill data, active skill data, Tailwind Rit. Increases dex by... No, wait, increases dex by 20% for 60,000. Okay, target self. No, just self. I'll go in. Effects. Buff effect. Multiply dexterity by 1.2 for 60,000. Mutex Ritual. Effect icon. The gun. I'll just use this pointer for whatever. For now. Right, so also we need to remove the effect VFX thing from here. We can also delete the active skill visual effects thing because the effects are tied to... The visual effects are tied to the skill effects. I need to come up with a different way instead of FX. Active skill viz. Just get rid of that. And then, we got rid of a component, a field within a component, not the component itself. Right. Dropping, is there anything else that I want to do? Because we've got 4 for the, we need to add them to the player party state manager thing. Copy address to clipboard. And then we can move on to testing the skills in the next stream. Hucker still needs his skills added, so we'll do that. So does Flayan, actually. Okay, Blade of Light. Regis hasn't enough energy to use the skill Blade of Light. Of course he hasn't. Power attack. And there we go. Right. One, two, three, four. Draining touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boop. No, wait, Flayan's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shocking touch. Earthly ward. Elemental ward. Then for Chirurgeon. Okay, that's all the boys' skills, well, test skills sorted out. Earthly ward. Okay, yeah. Disinfect needs to be called something else. Ooh. Oh. Oh. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I've got 15 minutes. I'll probably leave the stream there, to be honest. So yeah, I'll just probably want to get a video of that and post it on my Twitter. But for now, I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow. Friday's my off day, but I will be back Saturday. Until then,